All right, now let's take a look at this. If this whole entire part really confused you, don't worry about it. Just do the best that you can. And let's just look at these numbers at face value. So if you didn't understand any of this stuff, don't worry about it. I think especially this stuff. I think this stuff most of you guys understood, but this stuff you just probably didn't understand it. So let's just look at this at face value. So yeah, just look at these numbers and then we're gonna graph it and we'll see what we learn, okay? So I'm going to start with Diego's time. So Diego is 00, 1525. So 00, Diego, I'm going to do orange. And then 15, 25. And then 30, 50. 30 seconds, 50 meters. So 30 seconds, 50 meters right there. And then if I draw a straight line, and it won't let me draw that. Okay, so watch this. I'm gonna try to draw a straight line. I'm not very good at drawing straight lines, but that's pretty good. Hey, that's pretty good. All right, so that's Diego. So this is Diego's line. Diego. And then let's look at Lynn's. Lynn is 00. I'm gonna do Lynn in this bluish, very highlighter bluish blue. So Lynn is 00. And is also 00. And goes 1025, 1025, and 20 50, 20 and 50 right there. And then that's it. We can do 1 and 2.5, 1 and 2.5, but that is so inaccurate. I don't even know where 2.5 is right there, right? 1 and 1.2, 1 and 2.1 and 0.25. All right, let's see if I can do a straight line from here. Yeah, perfect. So that's gonna be Lynn. And finally, we have my. I'm gonna do this in this crazy green. My is 10 seconds and 0 meters. So 10 seconds and 0 meters. So that's 10 seconds, right? And that's 0 meters, right? Or 10 seconds and 0 meters. My bad. So that's going to be 10 seconds and 0 meters. So 10 seconds and 0 meters. 10 seconds and 0 meters. And 25 and 25. Go 25 and 25. 25 and 25. And then 40 and 50. 40 and 50 is right there. And that is going to be... Ugh, it won't let me do it like Diego. Here we go. Bam. It's okay. That is going to be my. So if you look at the answer, I know this is like a pretty horrid answer. Like there's so much here going on, right? But basically, I'm going to explain simply what this means, right? If you take a look, Lynn has the steepest slope. Lynn has the steepest slope. Steepest slope. And if you look at her speed, Lynn, is 2.5 meters per 1 second. So she goes 22.5 meters per 1 second. But Diego and Mai have the same slope or same steepness. So Diego and Mai have the same steepness, right? Which means that they're actually going to the same speed, right? If you take a look, it's 5/3, right? We said that travels 5/3 meters per second. But we also say right here that when we calculated it, she traveled at 5/3 meters per second, 5/3 meters per second. So my speed is actually the same as Diego's speed. That is why the slope or the steepness of this line are the same, have the same steepness. Therefore, they have the same speed. And my handwriting is horrible. But that's basically what that means. And because Lynn is the steepest, she goes the fastest. And because they're less steep, they go at the same speed, or because they're less steep than Lin, they are going slower. In fact, they go 1.66 meters per second. So these two, they too go 1.66 meters per 1 second. And if you take a look, the only reason why it's moved over to the right this way is because she waited for 10 seconds until she started moving. That's why it's moved like that. So I hope this one helped you in terms of explanation, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.